Hi everyone, I have another quick little project to share with you. Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I have been trying to smash a collection that I used last month, maybe the month before, called Eucalyptus Grove. I made a great little mini album out of it. It was a good sized mini album, and I had some paper left over. Not enough to do a tutorial on it because I couldn't do two, but enough that I wanted to smash it. So I've been watching a couple of people on YouTube, and this came from a tutorial from Pinkstrawberryz. It was actually 3 years ago. It's called an easy mini album, and that's exactly what it is. It's just using the paper, doing a one sheet wonder kind of thing. You could use this to put in a snail mail. You could use it to put in a journal or put in another mini album. It's just a cute little design. So anyhow, it's fairly small. Let's see what it measures. 4" by 3.5. I used one of the cut aparts on the cover. I also had some ephemera or fussy cuts from a Simple Stories collection. It wasn't Lakeside. I forget, but you know, I just had a couple of pieces left and I added it to this. The colors sort of blended real well. So the front has a little pocket in it. I put a cut apart there. And on the inside, I have another cut apart from that Simple Stories collection and just a little scrap of paper that you could journal on or you could add a photo to, and that sits in there nicely. Here's a diagonal pocket with, again, another scrap of paper for journaling or to add a photo. The paper from the collection was a lot of fun, and I love that diagonal pocket. It's open here to make it easy. I've got a library style closure. Now on this, instead of adding the brads directly to the paper and having the workings of the brad sticking out, I have another sheet of paper under there, and I also put a border strip here with the brad on there and then glued that border strip down. So again, you don't see the workings of that little brad. Here is just a little folder, and that will close again. And then on this side we have another diagonal pocket. I added a little piece of that paper. I fussy cut it out, added some gold foiling paper underneath. There's a little tag in the pocket for you to journal on. And that brings you to the back, which is just that paper. And there is the inside where you can add another little photo. So that is it. Just using that Eucalyptus Grove paper, using a quick little tutorial from Pinkstrawberryz. I'll put it in the description box. She has fabulous stuff on her channel, and I use it from time to time to help smash my stash when I've run out of ideas and the brain's just not working. Anyhow, just a little project share for you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.